friend of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin with opening settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on connection and sharing. After that, select printing section and tap on system printing service or choose add service. Download the best one for you. I will go with HP one and go into exactly the same settings. Now you need to click on desired service over here and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!